Hey guys, hello everyone. My name is Konstantin, and I welcome you to a short series of videos which are meant to help you start using the pop-up service by SendPulse to set it up correctly, to understand how and why should it be used. In this series, we'll go through the exactly like in this video, we'll go through the code installation procedure to the third parties websites or the websites which are created on the basis of SendPulse. And further on, now we'll talk more about the elements of the constructor, how should they be set up and used, how's the pop-up service connected to other services of the SendPulse and the whole infrastructure of SendPulse, how you can benefit from that. So let's start with the very beginning, I suppose. So to use the pop-up service from SendPulse on your website, you gotta install an extremely short script to your website directly. In the pop-up service, we have two options to do that. So let's go ahead and hit the add website button right here. We can install the pop-up script to the external site or to the site which is created on the basis of SendPulse. In the second case, with the website from SendPulse, everything is being done automatically. I do have the pre-created website for this actual video in our website section over here. So all you want to do is you hit the add website button, you choose this option, and you choose the website from the list of the websites which are available for the script installation. You hit connect site, and this is pretty much it. The script is now installed to the chosen website, and you can go ahead and start creating the pop-ups. On the other hand, you can add the script to actually any website that kind of supports it, and those are like all the websites. You do all the same. You choose the default setting for installing the script to the third-party website. You enter the URL to your website. It is extremely important to use HTTPS protocol for that. In any other case, the script will not be generated. Just for the tests, we'll go with Google or something. And we hit the get code button. This is the website, the URL of your website, the website where you are planning to place the script on and where the pop-ups should actually pop up. And we hit the get code button. So this is basically it. This is the script which you gotta copy and paste it into the body of the pages of your website where you wanna show the pop-ups at. To make this procedure even easier than that, we created a list of different manuals for you to easily be guided through the procedure of adding the script to different CMS systems which are available at the market, including Google Tag Manager. The script installation is not tricky at all, so it's pretty much simple. So all you want to do is you want to choose the CMS from the list over here and hit the installation guide button over here. In new window, you will receive the manual, which will lead you step by step through the procedure of the code installation. So as an example, we can do that with my GitHub account. We're going to copy the script. We'll go to the page of the GitHub. That's the script. So we'll literally edit the index HTML. We paste the script over here. We save and publish the changes of the said HTML. Now, in a couple of minutes, the changes are gonna be applied and you'll be able to show the pop-ups on that page. One important point here should be remembered that not all of the CMS are applying the changes to their pages like instantly. Sometimes you gotta wait for a couple of minutes, and in some extreme cases, changes may take up to 20 or 24 hours. And odd be that, but I cannot remember which exactly CMS did that to us when we were testing the whole list of manuals, but that was the case for sure. We kind of faced it. So what I mean is if you do everything by the manual and the script does not work like instantly, like at the same second you publish the changes, it's pretty much all right. You gotta wait for a couple of minutes for the changes to get applied. That's pretty much it for the first video. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions regarding this matter, just drop the comment below this video and I'll do my best to answer all of those questions. So cheers. Stay tuned for more videos about pop-ups.